Who are all between about 13 and 16 years old now. We have Jelani,
Burung unta itu tinggi
Amani,
banget loh.
Anjali, and Harold.
Dia tinggi banget. Dia ngeliatin kita, bukan kita ngeliatin dia, dia ngeliatin kita.
Southern white rhinos. So just
Wow.
recognize white rhinos are usually be
Wow, tinggi sekali. Ya, tinggi sekali dia.
Now I want you to look really
Nah,
careful.
ini sekarang zebra.
Perhaps you've got something special.
Zebra.
I don't know. Let's have a look.
Zebranya ada banyak. Iya ya. Juga sih.
Jelani, he's got the dark spots that are very white in between. And you'll notice the other giraffe one's quite sort of orange. So he's very easy to spot. Then they're different heights, they've got different personalities. Keep an eye out for Amani. He is the biggest one. He's close to 6 meters tall. Pretty incredible, isn't it? And he's quite orange as well. The three little ones are all sitting down. Adults are all standing up. I don't know what we'll see with the rhinos. Southern white rhinos are the most common species as well. There could be up to 20,000 of them. Very cute.
Sana itu jerapah.
They're only made of keratin. There's really nothing special about that. Now, the closest relative to them, the northern white rhino, there's actually only two of them left. So